Quanta Meta. Your AI agent finds its own skills automatically. Imagine this. You start a new project. Instead of manually searching for the right skills and prompts, your AI agent reads your project context and finds exactly what it needs. Quanta Meta reads your CLAUDE.md to understand your project. It searches across 37,000 skills using vector embeddings. Then it auto-installs the best matches. Zero config. Just add the MCP server and you're done. Whether you're a solo developer, here's how Quanta Meta works under the hood. Step 1. It reads your claude.md file and extracts your project context, your tech stack, and your requirements. Step 2. It embeds that context into a vector and performs cosine similarity search across the entire SkillForge catalog. Step 3. It installs the top matching skills directly to your skills directory. All automatic, all in seconds. Quanta Meta exposes 3 MCP tools. Discover Skills finds matches for your project. Install Skills lets you install specific skills by slug, and Discover and Install does both in one shot. Setting up Quanta Meta takes one command. Just type Claude MCP add quanta-meta npx quanta-meta. That's it. The MCP server is now registered with your AI agent. Next time you start a session, Quanta Meta connects automatically. It reads your project, discovers the best matching skills, and installs them to your local skills directory. 5 matching skills installed. React best practices, TypeScript strict, Supabase pattern,